Hello, everybody. Today is January 1st, 2026. My name's Eileen Jong. I am a licensed acupuncturist and medical Qigong teacher here in the Silicon Valley Bay Area. And I wanted to share with you for the next 31 days of January a special practice called the bone marrow washing Qigong. This special Qigong helps to strengthen our kidney system, and especially in the winter months, this is the time to collect and store our Qi and Jing essence energy in our low back and the kidneys. The kidney system especially affects our bones, our bone marrow, the brain, and basically the strength and health of our physical system. And bone marrow washing Qigong, 洗脑洗髓精功, is a really special Qigong that when it helps to strengthen our essence energy and bones in the body, it also helps to release fears that we may have in the body and help us to build confidence. So at the first day of the new year, I'd like to start sharing this with you over the next 5 weeks. And it is comprising of 12 parts, 1 through 12. And the first part, before we even start that, we need to relax the body and learn to shift weight in our feet so that we can be comfortable when we begin this marvelous, beautiful strengthening practice. So let's get started. Okay. This one is called the pre-preparation for it, and it's just simply shifting weight. So using my right hand right now, and let me shift, I am rotating each finger, my thumb, and bringing it from outer toward my lower part of the body, just below my belly button here. And second finger also rotating inwards. As I'm rotating, I'm also shifting weight along the outer perimeter or circumference of my foot. This Qigong has quite a little bit of standing, and sometimes we can get tired when we're first starting out. So shifting weight is one of the best ways to feel comfortable and easy so that it helps us to slowly build up our internal stamina and strength. So for the next 31 days, just practice with me a little bit each day. Okay? This is the pre-preparation for bone marrow washing. It's just a little bit of shifting weight and wiggling, rotating each finger digit in a circle inwards to the body. And let's just redo again the second time. Let's just finish the thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth. And how many times do we do it? About 9 times, 9 circulations. Four, fifth. And sometimes when we start even, we're not quite used to moving individual digits. You can also start out by simply moving the big circle instead, and then it helps you get used to shifting weight. Okay, this is the right palm, and this with the left palm. Okay, so either way, as many times as you like, as is comfortable for you. So thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Index, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Third finger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fourth. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the fifth finger. And allow for your fingers, wrists, elbow, shoulder, neck to be comfortable, easy, become loose too. And your hips, knees, ankle to also become relaxed. Okay? As many times as we like. Shifting weight, circulation. And breathe naturally. Qigong is a special types of movements utilizing movement, breathing, and your awareness to help your body to relax, to learn to breathe better, shift you from stress state, sympathetic nervous system, to parasympathetic nervous system. Okay? So again, as many times as you like. And breathe naturally, comfortably. One. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale. And let's pull the energy down, front, back, and sides. Feet together. Inhale. Down. Feet a little bit apart. And one more time, angle the palms and fingers to you. Relax. That's it for today. Just a little pre-preparation for the bone marrow washing Qigong. Thanks much. And I'll see you in the video tomorrow. I will be also providing the notes at the bottom, so stay tuned and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.